Welcome to our guide on how to split an invoice by page in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. Click on Expense Management in the top header menu and choose Accounts Payable. Then select Invoice Queue to view all your invoices collectively. After uploading a multi-page PDF to the invoice queue, click on the amount box of the invoice and select Split Invoice by Page. You will enter the Split Invoice by Page window. In the top right corner, click on Add Split below this page to initiate the split. Use the next arrow button to move to the next page and click Add Split below this page again to continue splitting. Repeat these steps until you have split all the pages of the PDF. Click on Done when you have finished splitting the invoice. And there you have it. You can now effectively split a multi-page PDF invoice into individual invoices within Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.